Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to go through all three of the 2025 digital planners. If you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I'm with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners, digital stickers, digital devotionals, prayer Bibles, and prayer Bible supplies. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Okay, so let's go through the three styles of the 2025 digital planner. All three of them work exactly the same. They just have just a little bit different style. Okay, so this is our first one. It is the pink version where it just has pink on the side and it's an open layout. So you can see there's no planner-like real look other than right here on the side. Then we also have the gray style, which is exactly like the pink style, except for it's gray. It's just a little bit more, it's neutral. And then we have the one that looks more like a planner. So it has, a planner side, page side, planner pages, and it has just where you can see the desk and a little bit more of a planner look. So all three of them work exactly the same. There's the only slightly difference is like your index is down here on the planner one. On the pink one, it's at the top, and that's the index page. Then the other difference is because this one has the year right here on the side, and then this one has the year calendar inside the index page. But that's really the only difference on the two. Everything else works exactly the same. I'm going to use this one just to show you what's all included. We have the Let's Get Connected page, which is this one right here. We have a list page where you can write lists. We have the yearly calendar, like I showed you. Your months link and each of your days link and your weeks link. This links to Sunday. We have a year overview where you can write down things for your year overview, and a notes page, blank line notes page. We have sermon notes. This is what your sermon notes page looks like. There's 52 of these. The prayer requests page where you write the date, the name of the person, the prayer request, and then if you see it answered, you can write the date of when it was answered. Your favorite verses, so your verse and then write out the scripture. SOAP method, scripture observation, application, and your prayer. Books of the Bible. This one's really neat. It has all of the books of the Bible and then each of the chapters. You can use your highlighter and, fill in. Use your highlighter and fill in like if you've read, the first chapter or all 7 chapters, okay? Then you can also, if your tool's off, you can touch Genesis and it will link you to Bible Gateway, the Genesis the Genesis book. It won't link to each of the chapters, but it will link to the actual book. Your budget page, so you have a budget for each for January through December, you have one for each. You write your budget here, what you actually think you're going to get of income, your actual income, and then the difference. And then down here, you can write your expenses, the date that they're due. So say you have a car payment due on the 25th, and then you write your actual or your budget of what it is. Maybe it's $225 for a car payment. And then you can write here what you're actually paid. And then the difference. So that helps you to budget. And then this over here is like your checkbook registry. So you have January through December of those. You have a meal plan. You have a Sunday start and a Monday start for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. For one for each week. There also is, and I can show you that by going to, there's also a monthly plan if you prefer to do that. And that was on the, that was on this monthly page, this little guy right here. I'll go over that again in a minute. You have a habit tracker. You write your habits here, and then 1 through 31 on each of them for your habit tracker. You have one for each month. Measurements. Filling out your measurements 1 through the entire year. Period tracker for the entire year. Birthdays and anniversaries. So you can write in them. Contacts, name, phone number, address, email address, and notes. Passwords. Books. This one's fun. You can put a photo of the book and then you can review it with stars. There's a few of those. Then the next one was book review. And then you can put the photo of the book, the stars, and then write a review of what you thought about the book. Your vision board. Just put pictures of things that you are interested in completing. The next one's goals. You can write your goals out. And then a goal planner, so how you're going to accomplish each of the goals. Dream 100. These are 100 different things that you would dream that you would like to do. The Kanban board, where you can make projects, like big, huge projects. You can put all of the tasks here. Then you move them over to here when you're working on the tasks. And when the task is completed, it goes here. Time blocking. You can block out your time so that you can have a schedule. All these are just different time management tools that you can use. Brain dump. Blank paper. Lined paper. Dotted paper. And square paper. And then you have 10 sections of extra folders that you can put things in. And each of the folders has a lined paper in it. So that's all of these things here. Then we have our month page. So each of these numbers are linked to the daily page. We have your sermon notes. So this is week 1 sermon notes, Sunday week 1, and Monday week 1. So see, there went to Monday week 1. And then your Sunday week 1. So you have, and then each of these days are linked to their daily page as well. This is your monthly meal plan, your budget. Oops. Let's try that again. Sorry about that. You got your budget, your monthly meal plan, your habits, and your sermon. And then you want your top 3, some extras, your gratitude for the day, and your meals for the day. And then here is a smaller habit tracker if you would just like to do that. Again, over here, you have your monthly meal. You have your budget, habit tracker. This is your month overview. So just different questions you can ask yourself. And then notes. And again, each of these is linked to their day. So January 1. And this is your daily page. Your daily page consists of your prayers, prayer requests, your favorite verses, your budget, your habits, your notes. This will link you back to January. And then you have scripture, affirmation, my prayers, prayers for others, self-care, steps, today's win, gratitude, your meals, to do, top 3, habits for this week, and then your time schedule. Now, a little secret trick on this is if you hit my prayers, it'll take you to a journaling page or a prayers page for that specific day. Tap the day again, and it takes you right back to your daily page. Your block up here. This is, each of these are your daily pages, and this links to each daily page. Hit January, and it'll take you back to the January month. S is your weekly Sunday start weekly pages. M is your weekly pages for Monday start. Here's your sermon notes for each of those days, and then your meal plan for each of these days. Then you also have, if you touch your S, it starts with a Sunday start for the meal plan for the month, or M, Monday start for meal plan for the month. So I can go ahead and show you, like if you touch the S, it takes you to that meal plan that I showed you earlier for doing your dinners for a Sunday. And then if you touch, come on, take me there. Thank you. If you touch M, it does the same thing. Or if you do the week 5, that is Sunday start for the week meal plans. And then, of course, you have your grocery list on the side. So each of these days links you to your day. Each of these links you to a day. Each of these links you to the day on that daily page. Each of these are your meal plans for the week, and then up here are your meal plans for the month. Your sermon notes, your Sunday week, Monday week. So if I touch Sunday 1, it takes me to Sunday week 1. Week 1 sermon notes. So week 2 sermon notes, and so forth. And that's how this planner works. It's highly linked. Everything will take you wherever you want to go just by, touching, touch 2. There we go. Touching a link. Everything is just linked. There's a lot of links throughout this planner. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. If you don't understand anything, something maybe I went too fast, or you want to have a little bit closer look of it, let me know by commenting in the comment section. Again, that is our 3 planners. This is our Christian Faith one. This is our gray version. And this is our pink version. And that is the 3 planners. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the very next video. Have a wonderfully blessed day.